Well, temperatures have jumped way above average today and will stay high in the coming days. And for some, that means running your air conditioner a bit more. And with that brings an increased electric bill. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Kelly Reardon is live with some easy steps that may save you money.
Yes, it is a hot one out there, and amid the pandemic, more people are looking for ways to save money, and we all know the effect air conditioning units can have on our electric bills.
Air conditioners lead to a noticeable increase on electric bills, and with temperatures running sky high this week, more people need to run their air conditioning units. This is especially tough amid the pandemic, but there are a few easy ways you can save money on your next electric bill. First, close your blinds if your windows are closed. Try to raise your air conditioning thermostat as high as you can tolerate, say 78 degrees. And when you leave for the day, turn the thermostat up higher. The U.S. Department of Energy says this can save you as much as 10% on your electric bill. To give your AC unit a break, if you live in a two-story house or apartment, leave the windows open on the lower level and use fans in your home's upper level. In a single-story home or apartment, close windows near a fan you're using and open windows in rooms that are far from the fan. Certain activities raise the temperature in your home, so avoid using the stove or oven on particularly hot days and go for the microwave instead. The U.S. Department of Energy says to keep your air conditioner fan speed on high unless it is humid outside. On humid days, keeping the fan speed on low slows the movement of air through the AC unit, which removes more moisture from the air.